The AutoUpdate function is a quick and easy way to update your Miray product to the latest version with minimum effort. AutoUpdate is available in all variants of the software, whether you run it in Windows, installed, or standalone, or in one of the self-booting variants. Due to the nature of AutoUpdate, the system must be online, at least temporarily, for the duration of the update. It is worth noting that AutoUpdate is not available if the software is booted from a CD, DVD, or via network boot. In this tutorial, we will show you how to easily update the different variants of HD Clone. The process is identical for other Miray products, for example, HD Shredder. In this example, HD Clone is launched from a local folder in Windows without installation. If an internet connection is active and an update is available, the Notify icon appears in the system bar to inform you. The following procedure is largely the same across all HD Clone variants. Afterwards, we will show you two more scenarios in which the process slightly varies. When you start AutoUpdate, a message will display the exact version information. Before proceeding, make sure to close any active processes within the software. Here you can additionally request the update package as a file download, which lets you update offline systems when needed. Choose the desired format, then select where you want to save the update file. The animated circle surrounding the AutoUpdate icon indicates that the update process is running. Please do not close the program until the update is finished. Once the process is complete, a results dialog will appear. From here, you can restart the software to begin using the new version. Should you choose to not restart the software right away, the AutoUpdate icon in the system bar will remind you that the new version will be used the next time you launch the software. Once restarted, a message will confirm that the update was successful. Please also remember to update the software on your other systems and bootable devices. If the software is launched in Windows but directly from a boot stick, the process is slightly different. AutoUpdate is still started the same way, by clicking the Notify icon in the system bar. Because the software was started from a boot stick, it needs to be updated by using the boot setup. Before you continue, please close any active processes within the software. The software will close and the boot setup will launch. The remainder of the process will run automatically. Once complete, the software restarts and displays a message confirming that the update was successful. Now, both the software and the boot stick are fully up to date. Please also remember to update the software on your other systems and bootable devices. If the software is booted directly from a USB stick, the process is slightly different and even easier because all files can be updated directly without using the boot setup. Start the process just like in the previous examples. The update process is also identical. Once the update is complete, all files will be up to date. After restarting, the new version will be ready to use, self-booting and in Windows. Restart to use the up-to-date version now. You are now working with the up-to-date version. Don't forget to repeat this process for any boot sticks or USB tokens you have.